just get straight into this B-Day sling. First, I'm going to go in with my cream contour shade and apply it to my lid. And I'm going to blend out the edges. Now I'm going in with my setting powder and I'm going to set under my brows. I'm going in with Basic and I'm going to apply it a little above my crease. Now I'm going in with Slow Burn and I'm going to put it directly into my crease. I'm going back in with Basic just to blend out the edges of Slow Burn. Going back in with Slow Burn just to redefine the crease. And I'm going to wing it out just a little. And blending out the edges. I'm going in with Intuition. And that's going to go onto my lids. And I'm going to work my way up, but not past my crease. I'm going to wing that out as well. I'm going in with Haul and I'm going to blend out the edges of the lid shade and blending out everything. Using my gel pencil, I'm going to wing out my liner just a little and I'm going to apply Lights Out on top of it and just smoke out that liner. And clean up the line just to make it nice and sharp. I'm going in with my Custom Lashes G by T lashes in the style Chloe, and I'm going to use my face primer and put it all over my face. I'm using my color corrector to make sure I have an even base. Using my setting spray. Then I'm going to use my foundation on top of that. Then I spray my face again. And then blend everything in with my foundation brush. Now I'm going in with my cream highlighting shade. And I'm going to apply it to my forehead, under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and to my chin. And I'm using my sponge to just blend out the edges. And I'm going back in with my foundation brush just to blend out everything. Now I'm using my cream contour concealer and applying it to my cheekbones, my forehead, and my jawline. And down the sides of my nose. And blending everything out. Now I'm going in with my setting powders. I'm setting under my eyes, my chin, my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow, and dusting off the excess powder. Now I'm going in with my face setting powder and setting the rest of my face. I'm going in with my contour powder and framing my face, my cheekbones, my forehead, down the sides of my nose, and around my jawline. Now I'm using my blush and applying it to the apples of my cheeks. Going back in with my gel pencil, I'm going to line my waterline and smoke it out. Going in with my mascara and applying it to the bottom lashes. Now I'm going to use my setting spray and set my entire face. Now I'm going in with my highlighter and highlighting the highest points of my face. Now I'm going in with my lip pencil, lining my lips. And now I'm going in with my 2 lipstick shades. I really hoped you loved this B-Day glam as much as I did. Please don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe if you don't want to miss out on all the fun looks I have coming up.